This boat is a 2021 Harris. The model is a 21-foot Sunliner. Shown here with the black sapphire fence and the midnight blue accent. The rails in the top frame all have the black addition powder coat fence. The floor plan arrangement is the center walkthrough. It's powered by a 115 horsepower Mercury Pro XS. You can just see the blue accent. The boat features a 4-step wide stainless steel ladder. It has the upgraded stereo system that gives you a JL head and 6 Fusion speakers. Has a stainless steel ski tow bar. And you can see the center walkthrough. Has the upgraded acrylic table with 4 drink holders. There's drink holders at every seating position, and each one has the charger port. Storage under all compartments. Removable waste can. Has a deluxe seat. Actually, it's the ultra-luxe high back seat. Charging station. 4-function instrument. Storage under every seat. And it has the privacy curtain room.